Hello friends, I am Gul and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how can you motivate yourself for study. Yes friends, if you don't have that motivation, you'll be lazy, you couldn't do that work that you want to do in your life. And now the question arises in your mind, how to do it? What is the secret? So I'm going to tell you only one secret to motivate yourself, and that is your body. Yes friends, your body, this is the secret. Some people make some tricks with their mind to motivate themselves, but no, that's not the right thing to motivate yourself. What you have to do, you have to just move your body. So what we do with ourselves in colleges or in schools, so we just sit there and somebody talks. We don't move our body for a long time, for 1 hour, 2 hours or more. Whether our energy goes up or down, everybody knows it will go down. So what we have to do, we have to do jumping, we have to dancing. If you want to study, or if you want to do anything, then only you're going to get the energy, then only you're going to get that motivation. So I hope all of you have understood it, so just apply it in your life and you're going to get the benefits of this secret. And that's all for today. I will see you in the next video.